Let's start with the easiest puzzles and progressively more towards the most difficult one, the last one, which is a challenge that very few can solve. How many cubes in this 3D figure? I will give you the correct answer in 20 seconds. So the correct answer is 9 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and plus 3 cubes like this on the right side, on the bottom, to support these 2 cubes. Remove 2 lines to make the right equality of this math expression. I will give you the answer in 20 seconds. So here's the solution. 6 multiplied by 9 equals 54. Can you count all the squares on this figure? I will give you the answer in 20 seconds. So this figure has 11 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can move only one stick to get equality of this math expression. So let's check the first solution. 6 equals 6 equals 6. Now let's check the second solution. 6 minus 6 equals minus 0. But minus 0 is anyway 0. A king decided to split his kingdom among his 4 sons. He kept a quarter of his kingdom for himself, and he needed to split the remaining territory evenly among his 4 sons. So, you need to split the rest of this territory evenly using only these 8 lines. I will give you the solution for this puzzle in 20 seconds. But if you need more time, you can pause the video. So, here's the solution. Count all the triangles on this figure. I will give you an answer in 15 seconds. But this puzzle will take a longer time to solve, so feel free to pause the video. So the correct answer is 27 triangles. Let me show you all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Count all the possible triangles that you can make on this figure. I will give you an answer in 15 seconds. But if you need more time, you can pause the video. So the correct answer is 44 triangles. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since there are 4 same squares, that means 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16 triangles like that. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 4 multiplied by 4, we are going to have 16 triangles. So now in total we have 32 triangles. Next, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. How many squares can you see on this figure? I will give you the solution for this puzzle in 20 seconds. But if you need more time, you can pause the video. So the correct answer is 40 squares. So let me show you all the squares. So let's start from the smallest squares, these ones. As you can see, we have 4 of them here and 4 of them here. So in total 8. Now let's count these squares. You can see here, 1 here, and 16 here. 4 by 4 will be 16. So in total, it will be 18 squares. Now let's count these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So plus 9 of these squares. Now let's count these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 4 squares and plus 1 big square. So in total, it will be 40 squares. How many triangles on this figure? I will give you an answer in 20 seconds. But if you need more time, you can pause the video to solve this puzzle. So the correct answer is 35 triangles. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Count all the possible squares that you can make out of these dots. I will give you the answer in 15 seconds. But this puzzle may take longer time, so feel free to pause the video to solve this puzzle. So the correct answer is 21 squares. Let me show you all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Feel free to leave a comment indicating how many puzzles you were able to solve. Even if you managed to solve only half of them, it is already a noteworthy achievement and a testament to your high IQ. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more puzzles, riddles, and other brain videos.